Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use mechanics to get huge fruits in Grow a Garden on Roblox. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred web browser. Over here, you can use any browser like Google Chrome. After that, search for GeForce Now and open the official website. Then, you will see the GeForce Now homepage. Over here, launch Roblox and open Grow a Garden. After that, go to your garden plot and plant any seed you want to grow. Then, use fertilizer mechanics to boost the growth rate of your plants. Over here, upgrade your watering can and tools to increase the plant size more efficiently. After that, place growth enhancers like sprinklers or sunlight boosts in your garden. Then, wait for the plant to fully grow and harvest it when it's huge. So that's basically how you can use mechanics to get huge fruits in Grow a Garden on Roblox. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.